it's Kezzie over here from Kezzies Corner. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my little corner. I hope you like what you see, obviously, in my little corner, and if you like what you see, then I hope you can join my lovely family. It would mean the world to me. I appreciate it. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you don't want to miss a video of mine, you can always press the bell button as well. Today's video is going to be about this beautiful, beautiful palette right here from LAROC Pro, and it is the chocolate box palette. You can get this from Feel Unique. I bought this from there. It's like a review on that. I also do my makeup, so
I don't know, what do you call this kind of video?
I don't know, just me sitting down. You know, grab a coffee, grab a cup of wine, glass of wine, sorry, grab a cup of tea, I don't know, water maybe, like me. If you want to see how I achieve this look and what I thought of the palette, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, you know the drill. And subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Bye! Okay, so let's begin. I curled my hair and so I'm just applying 2 clips.
So sorry if I look not that good.
But you know, here it is. Here is real Kezia. But yes, okay, so let's begin. I will be testing out, as I said, this palette by LAROC. The chocolate box, so LAROC Pro, the chocolate box. I have never tried this brand before, but I saw it on Feel Unique, and actually, side note, I actually thought this was LAROC. You know, LAROC, but no, it's LAROC. So yeah, when I bought it, I was like €29 for a LAROC palette, but no, I was wrong. Anyways, this happened, but I bought this, but I'm actually really, you know, interested and intrigued by this palette. There's so much you can do with it. You also have 2 highlighters as well, which look really pretty. As you can see, let's swatch them. Ooh, actually, they look amazing. So yeah, I'm excited. But first, obviously, we need to do our faces. So for the first product, I'm going to be using this one. This is the Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer. It's one of their new primers. And I had got this when I was in London in January. So yeah, because obviously, as we all know, we don't know when we're going to London or anywhere else for that matter for a very long time. I'm actually going to use this one. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Now, this is usually a shade darker for me. I'm going to apply it using my Tati Beauty. Hopefully, it's a good shade for me. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, yes, it is a very good shade for me. Because I mean, I use this when I'm pale, so I knew that this would be a good shade for me when I have my fake tan on, because I use the filter by Molly May. Absolutely. I like it. I mean, I didn't apply it well on my hand. I realized how pale I was when I was editing my videos. So I was getting a bit annoyed with my pale skin. Very, very pale skin. So you know, that interested me in like trying out some fake tan and, you know, seeing how it goes. For concealer, I'm actually going to use the Born This Way concealer as well, because why not? We're using some Too Faced stuff right here. Okay, so something I haven't actually ever tried is this one. This is the Born This Way finish. I don't think I tried it. It's the setting powder, so I'm going to actually be using this. No, I haven't tried it, look, see? Okay. Ooh, this comes out like that. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my god. That is adorable, I swear. Okay, it's a bit yellow. So, just going to set my concealer. Absolutely love the packaging of this powder because it doesn't make a mess. By the way, guys, I was thinking of doing sort of like either a makeup organization, but my makeup is disaster right now, or it's like a declutter video. Like, I haven't decluttered my makeup in a very long time, so I think it's needed. I'm really bad with decluttering things. I'm really bad at saying goodbye to things. I just like having them there even though I don't use them, so that's not really good, is it?
No, it's not.
Anyways, we're gonna do my brows until my powder settles. I'm gonna be using my Benefit Groove Proof Brow Pencil and then my Essence Brow Gel, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that took me a little bit longer than I thought. But I'm just going to fluff off the powder now after I've finished my brows. So there we go, got our powder off. And now we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to swatch some shades from this palette, the Chocolate Box palette from LAROC Cosmetics. So this is the beautiful, beautiful palette. I don't know yet what I'm going to do, but let's swatch some shades. So I'm going to swatch Divine, Toasted, ooh, this pink one, Sweetie, and maybe something from this side. Ooh, Peanut Butter, because I'm really intrigued by this shade. I swatched this one, Peanut Butter. So, okay, here, I'm going to swatch that. So this is Peanut Butter. Ooh, that's really pretty. This is Sweetie, Toasted, the Vine. Okay, so the Vine is really intense. Toasted is a little bit patchy, even Sweetie. Peanut Butter, it's very, very sheer. But we'll see what we'll do with these shades. I think I'm going to use Peanut Butter for sure. There's Champagne Truffle as well, which is really pretty. Oh, Champagne Truffle is pretty. And cool. So I just swatched this one. This one is called Crunch. Oh my god. Oh my god. And that is Champagne Truffle. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. Okay. To just take the shade called Toasted. Let's start with Toasted. So I'm going to take the shade called Toasted. So I'm just going to put the shade called Toasted in my crease, sort of above as well. I like going above because I have hooded eyes, as you can see. And I'm just going to blend this in, going left and right with my brush. Holding it very lightly as well, so you can blend better, I think. Okay, so it didn't swatch that well, but applying the Toasted shade actually is stunning. Okay, so I'm actually going to be taking this one, which is called Raspberry Crunch. Just wanted to check that it's recording. Ooh, my god, look at that. Just going to fluff off. Make sure you pit patter your brush. So first you go in gently. I'm actually going to place it first on my outer corner, like that, I think, and then yeah, something like that. I'm gonna blend it inwards. So okay, this is a really pretty shade. I'll take the Toasted shade again and just build that up. So, like that. Just take your time with the shade, guys, because it's quite pigmented. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be right back. So, okay. I'm going to do a cut crease. I thought I wasn't going to do one, but I'll do one for the sake of this video. So let me just do a quick cut crease. Well, half cut crease it's going to be, by the way. I always use the Revolution cut crease canvas to create a cut crease. I just put it onto the palm of my hand and just grab a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take my shade called Crunch because it's the one that I want to try out. And I'm just going to be applying, I think I'm going to just apply it with my finger. So, oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And then what I want to do is I'm going to take the shade called Divine that we had swatched earlier, and I'm just going to blend everything in. So something like that. And then I'm going to take the shade called Peanut Butter that we had swatched earlier, and again with my finger I'm going to blow there. That's a lot. Okay, so I'm back. I had a bit of a problem because I had something in my eye. I couldn't see where it was. Anyways, I'm back. I'm going to do my inner corner again because I had to clear my under eye because there was a bit of fallout. So as I said, I'm actually going to be using Peanut Butter, which is this one right here. But I'm not going to use it with my little binky because that didn't work. I'm just going to apply with a pencil brush and just apply the inner corner. Like so. And then I bring it a bit down as well. But this inner corner is stunning. I'm actually going to put Toasted Coconut as my brow highlight. Not. Okay. I'm going to put obviously something in our waterline. And I'm going to use the shade, let me see. Just use Toasted. I'm actually just going to use Toasted for my waterline. Oh, yeah, I think that's perfect. The eyeshadow, I was actually really impressed. I mean, I have never tried this brand before, but I was really impressed. The shadows were very easy to use. I mean, they're very pigmented, so you need to be careful when using, like, example, the pink shade that I use. But I absolutely love it. And even the shimmers are beautiful. Actually, they're really, really pretty. And that shade Peanut Butter, I have nothing like it in my collection. Even the pink one as well. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed. I don't really feel like putting on lashes, so I won't. But I'm going to put some nice mascara. My Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. So I'm going to first curl my lashes. I've been using this lash serum. So hopefully my lashes are a bit longer. Okay, so there's my lashes done as well. Let's use a bronzer. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I don't think I've ever mentioned it on my channel, or if I did, I forgot. This is the Kiko Flawless Fusion Bronzing Powder. I absolutely love this. Now, this might be a little bit too light, I'm actually thinking. Let's see. No, I mean, there's still something. Something does show. So that's what's important. Okay, and now, as I said, for highlight, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the other one. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to use this one, the Bittersweet. It's actually a nice glow. And then finally for lips. Okay, so after trying a gazillion lipsticks, I decided with this one. This is Golden Rose Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade number 13. Is it good? Just not 100% convinced on the shade, but I think it goes. Okay, so I'm just going to take off my clips. And yeah, there you have it. This is the look I created today using this palette right here. It's recording, right? So I hope you liked the review. In my opinion, it's quite a good palette, and you know, it's a brand that not a lot of people talk about. So yeah, I never heard of it. I only heard of it because I went on Feel Unique and just saw the palette and it was new in, and I was like, okay, because I thought it was LAROC, but absolutely you know, surprised by not knowing about this brand. So yes, it's a good palette, and you have a multitude of shades. If you like everyday makeup looks, pink makeup looks, you also get these 2 highlighters, then I would recommend this palette. And it's not that expensive. It's about 25 something, 25 euro something. So this is like, you get quite a bit of product, as you can see. So yeah, that was my video today. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.